friends! Today I'm going to be showing you how to fold money butterflies. These turn out so pretty and they're so fun to give as gifts. I'll share some of my ideas with you at the end, but first let's get to folding. You'll need 2 bills for each butterfly you want to make. Fold over the 2 short edges of the bill about this far. Then fold the bottom edge up to make a center guideline. Unfold it, then use that line as a guide to fold over each tip to make a pointy triangle shape on each edge. Now we're going to accordion fold this whole thing. Start at the bottom edge and fold it up about this far. Then go back and forth until the whole thing is accordion folded. You may have to make some little adjustments where the pointed parts are folded, but just keep everything smoothed down and keep on folding and folding. So this bill is done for now. Let's grab that second bill. This one is super easy. You're just going to accordion fold it, starting on the short end and going all the way across. Now we're going to attach the 2 bills together. I'm using florist wire because it will work best for what I'm planning to do with them, but you could use string or thread or anything like that. Fold both bills in half. Then use those halfway lines to attach them together, centered with florist wire. I just wrapped it around a few times and twisted it together until it felt secure. The last step is to fluff up your butterfly's wings. Just kind of gently press on the tips to open up the folds, and that's it, you're done! I'm adding my butterflies to a bouquet to give as a graduation gift. You can buy those little fake bouquets at any craft store, or you could even add these money butterflies to a bouquet of real flowers. Now, isn't that a whole lot more fun than just getting money in a card? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more creative ideas. Happy crafting!